to play. Even though it's jail or cemetery, I ain't really gay. Ripperman Ralph, Ripperman Ralph. You and Andy Cap Julian, all you mash up the land. Ripperman Ralph, Ripperman Ralph. You and that thief man Julian, all you mash up the land. Oh, Ripperman, you Ripperman. You and criminal Julian, all you mash up the land.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Want big up the crew them from Guyana, okay? And want big up the Trinidad crew. Want big up the St. Vincent crew, the St. Kitts, the Jamaican crew. You understand? I'ma just want to thank everybody yo who support Countryman and what I'm doing. Let's go. Now, I hear something very disturbing, and like I say, I don't have all the facts, but somebody on the ground, a little birdie whispered in my ears and tell me that I need to be careful. And I said, why do I need to be careful? And the little birdie told me that Storm Gonzalez is after me, and he has a degree in I guess media and communications, and he's tracking me down and my whereabouts, and I need to be careful. Listen, I am going to address that right now. Now, like I said, I can't prove this 100%, but a little birdie tell me that I need to be careful. Now, I'm just letting people know that I am not scared. I know the laws. I know international laws. I know what I'm doing. If anybody from out of the St. Vincent government ever step to me, the US State Department is gonna get involved along with FBI. If any threat at all, there's gonna be serious consequences. This is not third world St. Vincent where one man and him family and friends is controlling the system. I can speak my mind. I can speak the facts. Like I said, it's not my problem if people are listening to me and decided that they want to vote a certain government out of power, because he's been there for 20 years and the country is getting worse. People are dying. You understand? It's not my problem if people feel motivated by Countryman and I'm defending people's rights. I'm defending the truth. I don't care who you are. Now, I'm letting people know, like, yo, me have my friends them too. So, me I say it like this: if a pussy step to me, a war, then a war. But me I use everything fight, you know. I don't care if we not have multi-millions of dollars. You understand? Cause me have my brethren them ready. I just that me I tell pussy. You understand? Beyond that, I am gonna keep on doing what I do. I am not doing it for fame. I am doing it to actually make changes. Maybe I am naive. And maybe I am wishful in thinking that I am gonna make a difference. But if I can make one person, save one person's life, or educate one person, I am good with that. I am not doing it for views. I am not scared. And like I say, if anybody from in that so-called government or whatever step to me, I am going to report it to the US State Department that's in charge of the Caribbean region and the FBI. You understand? Because I know all the privacy laws, I know everything international laws. A pussy can track all they want to track. Go track your father big belly if you want something to track. You understand? And like I say, I can't verify certain things, but I am letting people know I am not afraid. I am miserable, just like them. You understand? I know if I was down in St. Vincent, they would have probably killed me like Glenn Jackson already. But I don't care. Thank God I'm not there. You understand? And like me say, I am not afraid. So if certain Prime Minister's son wants to track me, he could go ahead and track me. As a matter of fact, you don't have to track me, you can call me and I'll tell you where I'm at. You understand? Because I don't know why you're tracking me. Why you don't go track your father and the drug dealer them and all of the so-called rich boy them, where only them alone are develop the country. Go track them. Tracking me, is it gonna give you a job? Huh? But you tracking me through WhatsApp groups and this and that. I don't give a rat's ass, and that's the way I feel. And I'm not gonna stop doing what I do. As a matter of fact, you just motivate me. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And like me say, I got more coming up, yo. On St. Vincent, Jocelyn, and everything, yo. So stay tuned.